afternoon, 80, and welcome to our new series of evolution lessons. And we're here at Tranan's Gardens on this blustery day to have a look at how species evolve over time to suit their changing environment. And we're going to have a look at a very special species called the peppered moth. We're just going over to this tree here where Millie has got a cut-out large moth. Okay, now you can see the bark colour here, and the moth is a kind of bark colour, and so it's camouflaged against the tree. Now unfortunately, during the Industrial Revolution in the 1850s, in large cities like Liverpool and London and Manchester, all the factories were giving out lots of soot, black soot, which blackened the trees. Because the bark became blackened, the moths were easily seen and eaten by predators such as birds. I'm going to have a little look at that now. We've put some black film on top of our tree just to show you the extent of the pollution in big cities around the Industrial Revolution. And what's actually happening, you can see the peppered moth here. We can see it from miles away because it isn't camouflaged anymore. And what actually happened over time is they were all being eaten, which is not a good thing for the peppered moths. So what actually happened over the course of about 20 years, scientists started to see different types of peppered moths that were black in colour. And we're going to have a look at that now. Okay, here you can see the evolved black peppered moth. Exactly the same species, but over time, over the course of about 20 years, the moth evolved and changed to suit the black background of the tree as it was covered in soot. So during the Industrial Revolution, the moths managed to survive by changing and adapting, and this is known as evolution. It's a shame about Jodie's glove though, because you can clearly see that is not camouflaged. Now if we put the peppered moth against the blackened tree, you can clearly see the difference. And if I take a few steps back, it's much easier to see the peppered, lighter coloured moth than it is the black one.